Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to the folks watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, we could have acted faster. That admission from the police about the search for Shantae Skyers, whose body was found in the community where she lived 5 days after she was reported missing. The matter was discussed at a town hall meeting in the Sterling Castle community of St. Andrew last evening. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson was there and filed this report.
On any given Sunday, Shantae Skyers would have been here at the New Testament Church of God taking her Sunday lessons. But now the location is being used by stakeholders to learn lessons from her brutal death and maybe just to prevent another such case in the future.
As it relates to sending in a picture of a missing person, is it a case whereby the JCF can have a WhatsApp number maybe so that it can be done in a more speedy and enabling manner? In that social media can be used for good and bad as well, so I think that's something that we can definitely look into.
The environment also gave the police a chance to reflect on their role.
Police, as said, we are taking some blame for some things. Things could have been a little different. Maybe if the activities moved a bit quicker on the part of police and other persons. And I'll quickly say that.
Despite the admission that the police could have acted faster, ACP Gary Griffiths feels it was unlikely she would have been found alive.
Maybe the body could have been found had we moved out 10 o'clock in the night when the first report was made. I don't know. But I would hardly believe that at 10 p.m., based on the nature of injuries found at the post-mortem, that she would still be alive at 10 p.m.
In any case, Diane Gordon Harrison feels the admission from the police is healthy for the healing process, as residents have been angry.
Let me commend you for meeting head-on what certainly has been a very public conversation about the response time in this particular matter. I have noted the Commissioner of Police's commitment to review the missing persons policy.
The children's advocate also urged residents with useful information to report it, so the case can be solved. Otherwise, Shantae could die in vain. Her appeal is timely too, as the police admit that so far the reports from residents have failed to pinpoint a perpetrator. This has led investigators to turn to DNA evidence to help nab Shantae's killer and perhaps clear the name of now deceased Miguel Williams. 26-year-old Williams was killed by a mob in the community due to their belief that he killed Shantae. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.